Hey guys, it's Miss Tarkington. I wanted to read the example of the Fluency Homework, 18A Fluency Homework for you so you can hear what it sounds like and you can listen to me and then practice. Remember, you're practicing 3 to 5 times every night. Here we go. The hatchet was still in his hand, and as he reached and raised it over his head, it caught the first rays of the morning sun. The first faint light hit the silver of the hatchet, and it flashed a brilliant gold in the light. Like fire. That's it, he thought, what they were trying to tell me. Fire! The hatchet was the key to it all. When he threw the hatchet at the porcupine in the cave and missed and hit the stone wall, it had showered sparks, a golden shower of sparks in the dark, as golden with fire as the sun was now. The hatchet was the answer. That's what his father and Terry had been trying to tell him. Somehow he could get fire from the hatchet. The sparks would make fire. All right, guys, y'all be practicing. I can't wait to hear you.